Hello everybody, this is Michael
And Teresa.
with Seasoned Adventures. It's been a while since we've done a video. We've been very busy preparing for our transition. If you've seen our Facebook page, you know that we have transitioned to full-time RV living. And we're now at Yellowstone National Park, living here and working here for the summer. It's been a blast so far. Got a few more months left to go and we're just looking forward to it. Today we're taking a little hiking and fishing trip to a place called Grebe Lake. It's about 3 miles in and 3 miles back. Not too bad, pretty level. And we'd like for you to join us.
Thank you for joining us and come along with us.
You got him!
He's making a noise. He's almost like perfect. Hi, thank you for joining us on our hike to Grebe Lake today. We had a wonderful time. We had a picnic lunch by the lake, did a little fishing, caught some trout. We had a blast. I'm glad that you could join us. Thank you and tune in to the next adventure of Seasoned Adventures. This is Teresa.
And Michael.
Thank you.